Q1025. An autonomous operation requires the following crew members. A. Remote PIC. B. Remote PIC and visual observer. C. Remote PIC, visual observer, and person manipulating the controls. The correct answer is A. An autonomous operation typically requires only the remote PIC, pilot in command, as there is no need for a visual observer or person manipulating the controls since the unmanned aircraft operates autonomously. 1026. Under Title 14 of the Code of Federal Regulations, what is the maximum penalty for falsification, alteration, or fraudulent reproduction of certificates, logbooks, reports, and records? A. Ineligibility to receive any certificate or rating for 1 year. B. Imprisonment for 1 year and a $5,000 fine. C. Suspension or revocation of any certificate held. The correct answer is C. According to Title 14 of the Code of Federal Regulations, 14 CFR, Part 61, Subpart A, Section 61.59, a person who knowingly makes or causes to be made any false or fraudulent statement, representation, or entry in any logbook, record, or report that is required to be kept, made, or used to show compliance with any requirement under 14 CFR Part 61, may have their certificate suspended or revoked. The FAA takes such violations very seriously and may impose additional civil penalties and fines as well. 1027. You are part of a news crew operating an sUAS to cover a breaking story. You experience a flyaway during landing. The unmanned aircraft strikes a vehicle, causing approximately $800 worth of damage. When must you report the accident to the FAA? A. Anytime. B. Within 10 days. C. Not to exceed 30 days. The correct answer is B. According to 14 CFR Part 107, the remote pilot in command, RPIC, must report to the FAA within 10 days any operation that results in at least serious injury to any person or any loss of consciousness or damage to any property other than the small unmanned aircraft, sUAS, that exceeds $500. Therefore, in the given scenario, since the accident caused approximately $800 worth of damage to a vehicle, the RPIC must report the accident to the FAA within 10 days. 1316. A small UA causes an accident and your crew member loses consciousness. When do you report the accident? A. No accidents need to be reported. B. When requested by the UA owner. C. Within 10 days of the accident. The correct answer is C. According to FAA regulations, the remote pilot in command must report any sUAS accident to the FAA within 10 days if it results in any of the following: serious injury to any person, requires hospitalization, property damage of $500 or more, total loss of the sUAS. In this scenario, the accident caused injury to a crew member, which qualifies as a serious injury and therefore requires reporting to the FAA within 10 days. 1028. Within how many days must an sUAS accident be reported to the FAA? A. 90 days. B. 10 days. C. 30 days. The correct answer is B. According to Part 107.9, any sUAS accident must be reported to the FAA within 10 days of the operation if it results in at least serious injury, loss of consciousness, or property damage of at least $500.